How to shuffle songs in VLC media player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shuffle songs in VLC media player step by step. If you're creating a playlist or just want to randomly play your favorite music tracks, VLC makes it super easy for you. And I'll show you exactly how to turn on shuffle, manage playlists, and keep the music going without repeating the same order. So make sure you watch the full video to get all these steps. So let's get started. First step is opening VLC Media Player and your playlist. So open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you already have a playlist, open it by clicking Media and then Open File or Media, open multiple files. Add all of the songs you want to shuffle to VLC. Now you're ready to start. Once you have added all of the songs, you're going to click on View in the top menu, select Playlist or press Ctrl+L on your keyboard. This will open the playlist window where all your songs are listed. Next, you're going to turn on Shuffle mode. So look at the bottom of the main VLC interface. Find the Shuffle button. It looks like two crisscrossing arrows. Click the Shuffle button to enable Shuffle mode. Once it's active, the button will turn sky blue, indicating that Shuffle is on. VLC will now randomly play your songs instead of following the list order. So you can select any song in your playlist and hit play. VLC will now shuffle all your tracks automatically, giving you a random order every time. You can keep adding songs to the playlist and shuffle will continue to mix them. And if you want to repeat your songs, you can click the repeat button, that is the circular arrow, to loop your shuffled playlist. This gives you full control over your music experience. Make sure the shuffle button is highlighted sky blue or VLC will play songs in order. Shuffle works only with multiple songs. If there is only one song, it won't have an effect. VLC shuffle works with local music files and media added to a playlist, not streaming playlist from some other online services. It is actually perfect for listening to your music library without repeating the same order, parties, or background music, randomly discovering tracks you haven't heard in a while. And that's it. That's how you shuffle songs in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.